Hi, my name is Michael and I'm a plumber with Peaden. Spring's right around the corner, and with that comes higher water consumption. Today we're going to give you some helpful tips to go with your spring cleaning, and also we're going to debunk some myths. We know it can be easy to forget your plumbing maintenance throughout the year, so we're going to give you a checklist to go through during your spring cleaning that can help you save money and dollars down the road. First thing we like to do is check for winter damage. If you have any outside faucets, take a stroll around your house. Then come on into the inside, check for any dripping faucets. If you see any standing water, if you have any low water pressure, anything like that, I would walk out to the water meter and see if it's spinning. If it's spinning, you may have what's called a slab leak. Another thing we like to do is go ahead and go inside your bathroom, take your shower head off, and soak your shower head in vinegar overnight. What it's going to do is going to be preventing the buildup within your shower head. So the next day, go ahead and put it back on. If you had any issues with your water pressure getting through that, it's definitely going to help you out. Everybody thinks of the costly damage of drain issues. With your kitchen drains, what you can do is go ahead and get vinegar and baking soda and hot water and go ahead and flush that down your drains. And if you want to prevent any sort of hair clogs inside your bathroom showers, get those mesh drain covers. What I like to do is go ahead and swap those out once a year and make sure to be preventative and check those every few weeks or so. If you're having any issues with your toilet clogging or slowly draining, give a call to Peaden. Another thing you want to do is go throughout your house on the inside and outside and rotate all your water valves. If you're not using those valves constantly, just like anything, it's going to start getting stuck and it's not going to want to turn off and on. If you have any whole house shutoffs or anything like that, you want to rotate those valves. Any of your shutoff valves into your sinks, toilets, and even getting out to your hose bibs on the outside. You want to make sure that those valves are turning off and on as you need. Check for leaks within your toilet. All you're going to need is you can either get those tablets that show coloring, or you can just use food coloring. What it's actually going to be checking if you have any leaks from your tank to bowl gaskets, your flapper, and if you're noticing any leaks within the toilet bowl, go ahead and give Peaden a call and we'll come out here and take care of it for you. There's a lot of misconception about what you can use for the plumbing on the inside and the outside of your home. Today we're going to go over some of those myths and pretty much debunk them for you. Products like Drano and Mr. Plumber are not okay to use. All it does is make the clog within your drains 10 times worse. What you can do is throw that away and go inside your kitchen drains and lavatory drains, and you can use vinegar, baking soda, and hot water. For your bathtubs and your toilets, I would not suggest using any kind of chemicals or anything like that, or even vinegar, baking soda. I would just give a call out to your local plumber. These are not flushable, no matter how many times it's written on the packaging. It's kind of similar to the drain cleaner. You flush it, you forget about it, but really and truly, it goes down your line and it's getting caught on your sewer lines. And it's just gonna end up to a way bigger issue that is gonna be costly down the road. Putting any chemical inside the tank of your toilet is going to mess with the flappers. It's going to corrode the rubber and also the tank to bowl gaskets. It can be very costly down the road. What you can do actually is you can put bleach inside the actual bowl of the toilet. It's not going to stay there. You're going to flush it down. It's going to go away. But putting anything inside that tank where it's going to stay for a long time is definitely going to mess with all the components inside your toilet. Your pans, whenever you got grease in there cooking, is upwards of 200 degrees. You just turning on your faucet, hoping it would go down, is almost maybe 100, 120 degrees. It's not really hot enough to make anything heat back up and turn back into a liquid. Really and truly what you should do is contact your local drainage company, and they'll send you over a jug for you to pour all your grease in, and they'll pick it up the same day as your trash. If you think about it, 3,000 gallons of water are coming from that faucet that you really haven't thought about, and you keep saying that you're going to get to it later, but really and truly it is costing you a lot of money, so give us a call. I wouldn't recommend anything hard going inside your garbage disposal. It's going to snap something in there and cause a leak. Really and truly, vinegar, baking soda, and hot water. It might not smell as good as those lemons that everybody likes to use, but it's definitely going to do the trick for you. Today we've talked about your spring cleaning checklist and getting plumbing involved in that. And with that, we went ahead and explained how to check your home for winter plumbing damage and also debunked a few myths for you. So I hope I've been able to help you out, and we'll see you on the next video. See you soon.